to IHOP. Yeah, so we just head into IHOP. It's across the road from the hotel. We've been here before and can't say...
Witness the good deal.
Yeah. I got rave reviews, but I haven't got bad reviews either. It's just kind of like... So...
It is what it is.
Maybe this will be...
I'm only having pancakes today.
a good one. No.
I'm only having pancakes.
Only having pancakes.
I'm only having pancakes. Not all day, but in a high up. I'm only having pancakes. And a cup of coffee. It is like 12 o'clock, so it's not like
it's lunchtime, so we're having breakfast for lunch.
We did a light-in this morning.
We did a wash. We did a clothes... I did a clothes wash.
I did put them in the dryer.
Yeah, and then I went back and got them and folded them.
Yeah, like
once again, and you were sleeping.
I was on booty sleep.
Aye.
It's really quiet normally.
It's always busy in here. Yeah, there's loads of cars in the car park. Rammed. Absolutely rammed there. You can't even get in through the door. But it's about 10 to 15 minute wait, so can't be that busy. That was just a fast turnover. Master tries lettuce pancakes.
Happy days.
How was your food?
Banging.
Yeah, it was good to be fair.
Cheap.
My complaint was it wasn't hot when it came, but it came to $31. 31 or 32? I don't know. Anyway, the 20% was less than that.
Now we give $6 tip. 41.
Yeah, so it was okay. It was fine. I'd go back again. We signed up to like a rewards thing as well, so when you spend so much money, you get points back. So that could come in handy. Some free pancakes. I'll be back in the CityWalk once again. It's busier today. Yeah. People milling around.
They'll be walking out though.
Yeah. Did you get the Ministry of Magic? It's not taking visitors this time.
Yeah. What are these?
Phone books.
Ah.
We couldn't remember how it is to phone the word magic, but I couldn't remember what number M was on, but it's 6. So 62442. And you'll get a little message from the Ministry of Magic. How cute. We're now in Islands of Adventure. We caught the train over. How long was it, James? 20 minutes. It was about 20 minutes for now, I'd say.
Yeah, but
it's quite slow loading the train. But loading and offloading is quite slow, but wasn't too bad. So we're just sitting now in the 3 broomsticks out the back. It's a hot one again today. Sorry, I'm being rudely interrupted by some screams. It's gone a little bit overcast, so I'm not sure if there's rain forecast, but it's gone really muggy and really hot. So we're just having a little rest and drink, waiting for 4 o'clock for our fast passes to kick in, which is in about 30 minutes. So I think we'll be going on the VelociCoaster then on Hagrid's probably. We haven't been on the VelociCoaster yet. We were just saying as well that we need to go to Mythos for a chefs, so we might go there tomorrow. But who knows? I don't know if there's a bar in there. Never actually been in there before, so could just sit by the bar and have a drink, or
why do you want to go Mythos?
What?
Why do you want to go Mythos?
Because it's closing next year, and I don't think we'll be going there again. I did say in one of the other videos, so I don't know if I'm repeating myself. But yeah, next year, 2027, is closing. There's this the whole Lost Continent area is being changed, where nobody knows to what yet. Zelda was my guess. We literally just went to go on VelociCoaster because it was 4 o'clock. It's 10 past now, and it started raining. So it's fine in the rain, but the lady at the door said there's actually thunder and lightning in the area, so they've shut the rides at the moment. So I wonder, we've come inside the Discovery Centre to stay out of the rain. We're just keeping an eye on the ride. We can see the entrance from here. Yes, look. So hopefully have a little downpour and it'll pass. Because honestly, the humidity is crazy. But it looks like quite. It's not like I can't see thunder and lightning, but they have like sensors that cover something like 5 or 10 mile radius, and they close the rides if there's any in the area. So better safe than sorry, I suppose. We'll just keep an eye on it from here. The rain's really starting to come down now, and this is why all of a sudden it's really busy all around us. We were the only people out here 2 minutes ago. Still says we're the delay, but we just saw people.
No queue.
We could do. We've decided to go through the normal queue. So, because our fast passes are only used like once a day after 4 p.m. Look at this. We never see it like this. It's crazy. Empty, guys. Came in through here. It's really loud in here. I think it's to get the intensity up. We go through a bit of a dark part now. They got teeth, James. They got teeth, James. Woo. Opinions on where we are?
Huh?
Opinion on where we are right now, lengthwise?
Not that long, once it opens back up.
We're probably stopping people at the lockers, maybe.
Yeah, we just stopped at the lockers. The lockers are a couple of...
Yeah. We're off. We've been on VelociCoaster twice. It's so good.
It's banging,
It's so good.
It's got to be one of the best roller coasters in the world.
Mm-hmm.
And
Definitely.
it's really intense, isn't it?
It is, yeah. We were on the back pretty much the first time round, weren't we?
And it throws you about.
It's coming back. It's coming back. Whee!
It's proper.
Intense.
I feel like some roller coasters, they put the ball straps in and you rarely touch them with that.
You use your restraints.
You're
You
re- oh, yeah,
It works hard.
It is literally. Oh. Use your strength and my like thighs. Do you find you're
No.
always tensioning thighs?
No,
I am. I feel like I'm holding myself in.
you're gonna stop yourself from pooping your pants. You shit yourself.
How do you? You don't feel it on your legs.
Just loose, woo, like a rag doll.
Yeah, but don't you feel like your legs, like you can't feel your legs at all?
Nope.
You is that gym you're going to, but it's so strong.
Yeah, it's been like an hour since the rain, and you kind of wouldn't have even known. I thought it rained earlier, just the floor was wet. It's crazy. So we're back.
It's just the sweat.
We've done some steps again today, boy.
Here, boy.
Here, boy.
Oh, this is just padding. These pads just sweat off people.
Yeah, it's the sweat.
Off the chubby ones.
You.
Oh. You love my little friggin' mixer.
Love you, babe. Look at the size of that tortoise or turtle it is. Oh my god.
Massive.
Somebody just threw a crisp in and they all went mental.
That's 2 turtles there now.
I don't lean over anymore. I don't want to drop my sunglasses or my phone, so. Ugh, that could be. What fish are they?
I don't know. A bass? Bluegill, maybe? I don't think they're bluegill. I don't know what they are.
Who knows?
I think they're called Bethans.
Thanks, bud. So we're making our way out. We're going to head back down to the hotel, drop our bags off and the wand and stuff, and I think we're going to go to Chili's. It's cleared up a little bit.
We did have a cracking meal the other day, and we can't bother to go far.
We did, and also this morning I done a boo-boo. When I went to the change machine for the laundry, I put $20 in and they gave me $20 worth of quarters. So
I think he was going to do it in a quarter. It was genuine now.
I thought for some reason it was $10, not $20, and I put it in and I went, oh no, it was ding 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 like that, and I thought, oh sugar.
So we're going to the Bandit all then.
So we're going to Las Vegas. No. So I did say perhaps we go over to the Lucky Leprechaun and play some pool with our quarters. Because I'm brilliant at pool. Not.
You're not as good as me.
No, you're actually good at it. I'm crap.
I know that good. It's just you were awful and I'm all right.
I think I've beaten you twice ever, and we must have played pool about 1 million times. I'm learning, guys. Come on. This is cordoned off because we like to sit there sometimes and have a little drink in the bar, don't we, James? The bar actually is open, but the seating area is closed off. As we're walking out, it's just a guy over there singing. Sings Valerie. That's random, I haven't seen that before. But we're heading out. We're going to go into the Red Coconut Club, so the Retro Coconut Club, and have a little gander in there first. Show you where it is now. Some people miss it, don't know it's there. Ah, how nice is that? As you're coming out, you got these escalators. Up there is where we're headed. We're heading to here. The Red Coconut Club, now the Retro Nights Club. Good try. Sorry, what was that, James?
Just do a cock shit.
Can't help himself. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Come on! Ah! From the balcony. Ah, lovely jubbly. Salsa and chips demolished. What have you ordered, James?
Double smasher. To be
Nice.
honest, I didn't actually want it. I wanted loads of other things because I could make my mind up the other things. I just went for something that I didn't even think I wanted.
Something different. I've gone for chicken fajitas.
I'm not a big burger eater.
No,
I like
no.
chicken burgers.
Chicken fajita I've gone for. Looking forward to this. How was your food?
Lovely, I'm just full as fuck now.
Don't swear.
Oh, lovely, I'm just full. God, it's a nice
Mine was
bush.
nice too. Mine was really nice. It was massive though. Like the rice and everything on top of it was just, you didn't even need any of that because there was so much on the hot plate. But it's a lovely evening. It's very nice, like a sunset up there with the volcano in the background. How lovely. Let's have a look. See, the sky is so beautiful. So we're heading up to Lucky Leprechaun Irish Pub right on the end there. Whee!